Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia and today I'm doing a tutorial using Etude House Coffee to Go No Syrup collection. So I hope you enjoy it. This is their Autumn Winter collection 2018. Let's get started. The first product I'm using is the Face Blur Sakura edition. So this just helps blur my pores and prime my face for a foundation. Now I'm using the Double Lasting Cushion Foundation in Natural Beige. Fill in my eyebrows, I'm using their new Drawing Eyebrow Proof Gel Pencil. Oh, that was a mouthful. To just fill in my brows, I'm just following my brow shape, and it has a really interesting brush. It's not a normal spoolie. It's kind of like a soft hairbrush, I don't know. Then I'm using the Play 101 stick in the shade number 2. This is their contour and highlighter stick. Just follow where I usually draw because that's where I want to contour and highlight the highest points of my face. I do think that this product is really creamy and super easy to blend, so I just use my fingers. Try to blend carefully so that you don't mix the highlight shade with the contour shade, especially on your nose area. So this is their new Play Color Eyes palette called Caffeine Holic. The colors are super pretty and definitely up my alley. For the eyes, you can prime them using your primer, and for the first shade, just use this as a base shade. Cover your entire upper and lower lid. Over here, I'm just using a fluffier brush and my fingers to blend out any harsh lines. Use this shade to deepen your crease as well as the lower eyelash area. I also recommend using a pencil brush such as the one I'm using. It just makes it a lot more easier and more accurate when you put on the color on your lid or any specific area of the eye. Lastly, you want to take this color to just highlight the inner corners as well as the inner eye bag of your eye to make it pop. I'm using the Super Slim Proof Pencil Liner Gel. This is also new. I use it in brown and I'm currently obsessed with gel eyeliners. They look more natural, so I'm just drawing a really thin liner to just pull in the look together. Now I'm using the Dual Wide Eyes Mascara, and I've been really loving this mascara because of the mini wand that they have on the other end. So I'm just putting the mascara on very carefully on my baby lashes. Because my lashes are pretty pathetic, I decided to put on some falsies. You can skip this step if you want, but I just prefer having falsies on. Moving on to my favorite part, blush. This is their new Cookie blush color that comes with the collection. So I do go a little heavy hand on the blush because that's just what I prefer. I usually put them on the highest points of my cheeks as well as a little bit on my nose because I like how that looks. So they have 4 new colors coming out. For the Dear My Lips Talk lipstick, this is the main color and it's kind of a burnt terracotta that I absolutely adore. So this is the look. I hope it was helpful. All of the products are listed down below in the description if you're interested, and do give me a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!